Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well and feeling comfortable wherever you're watching this from. Thank you for being here today and supporting the channel. It truly means a lot to us. Today's video is all about everyday comfort, simple elegance, and quiet confidence. We're excited to present a new undergarment collection that has been carefully created for people who believe that true comfort is the foundation of good style. This collection is designed to fit naturally into your daily life without feeling heavy or complicated. As you watch this video, you'll notice that each piece focuses on softness, flexibility, and ease. The fabrics are gentle on the skin, the fits are thoughtfully designed, and the overall feel is light and breathable. These are designs made for long hours, relaxed moments, and everything in between, pieces you can truly rely on throughout the day. The colours in this collection are balanced and soothing, chosen to feel calm yet attractive. They are easy to wear, easy to pair, and suitable for different moods and routines. Nothing feels overdone. Instead, everything comes together in a way that feels natural, graceful, and quietly stylish. For those who are married or in a loving relationship, this collection brings a subtle sense of freshness to everyday moments. When you feel comfortable in what you're wearing, it reflects in your confidence and your presence. Sometimes it's these small, thoughtful choices that make daily life feel smoother and more pleasant. As we move forward, I'll take you through each design one by one, highlighting the fabric, the fit, and the overall comfort. Take your time while watching and see what connects with your personal style and comfort needs the most. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like it, share it with someone who might find it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more carefully curated collections. Also, make sure to